Welcome to Strategy Shift Thoughts on the Go. Today I want to talk about a waste of overproduction. The waste of overproduction comes from Toyota manufacturing process, Toyota production system rather, created by Teiichi Ohno in the 1950s. And it's the most efficient way to produce cars that he created, and it's since been adapted to other manufacturing processes, into the office work environment called lean management, and into software development, agile, and things like that. So the waste of overproduction is pretty simple to explain. You make more than you need, right? So for example, you own a bakery, you bake one day, on day one you bake 100 pieces of bread, loaves of bread rather, and you get 70 customers, 70 buy. You have 30 left over. Second day, you make another 100, you get 65 people come in, buy 65 loaves, you have 35 more left over. Then again, third day, 100 people, 100 loaves, 75 people come in, buy 75 loaves, you have 25 left. So that's overproduction. And clearly, based on this data, you should be producing around 80 loaves, or maybe even 70, because average is 70. So overproduction in manufacturing is easy to understand. And anywhere you produce a physical product, you produce too much, no demand, trends change, boom, you have too much. In an office environment, it's maybe a little bit harder to point out. One immediate example that comes to mind is email. Too many emails, that's overproduction. You send too many emails on a particular topic to one person. Another great example, I think people have done this for so long they don't even notice this, is writing too much. And when I say writing too much, that could be in an email. Writing an email that's too long and all over the place, or more commonly it's in PowerPoint. When you fill the PowerPoint with words and more words, and maybe some image and then more words, that's overproduction. That's waste of overproduction. Not only because it takes a long time to produce that stuff, but also it has very little value, because too much information on one sheet, people can't focus, and usually it's not related or too much. So in the end, it doesn't have the punch, doesn't have that value that you need. So in the office environment, you need to look for things like that, where you produce too many documents for a particular issue. You have to have five documents for this, even though one could suffice, half could suffice. So that's waste of overproduction. Looking for these types of wastes and eliminating them will reduce the amount of time people spend creating it, make people happier, and save you money, because people can now focus on things that actually produce value. So you need to look for areas where you can produce value for your customers, for your clients, and having a lot of words on a PowerPoint doesn't. All right, until next time, I'll see you.